Hey everybody, so recently I uploaded this video right there having to do about an advisory on these fake scam posts on Facebook that start out as, oh, I found this cute little dog, let's reunite the owner, found and paste it here city, please bump this post and share it to everybody so that way I can change it to a fake for rental post like the one you see right here. Yeah guys, you see this fake for rent post right here? Watch this. I'm going to go up here and click these little three dots. Let's view the edit history on this. Why, looky there. Found dog. I found this sweet girl by our gate. We just got her checked at the vet. She's not microchipped. Blah, 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 blah. Let's get this post shared. That way I can go ahead and sneak in there and pull a 180 and turn it into a rental post. Of course, this takes full advantage of a Facebook exploit where Facebook allows the poster can go back and just totally redo a post after it's been shared many times. This is something that Facebook really needs to address. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and report this post as, let's see here, I could say false news. Yeah, I'm going to say false news. Alrighty. So yeah guys, watch out for these posts. So anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video from Cuckoo channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to tick the bell so we get notified of new video posts. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends and get the word out. Also, I have a second channel, that's CubeCompMTDX. Over there you'll find videos about thunderstorms and weather, cycling, and videos about me personally. Feel free to subscribe over there as well if you like. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.